How to see Epic Games library on mobile. So let's get started. So first just head over to your Epic Games application, and once you're inside here, make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now simply tap on this profile icon at the top right corner and just head over to your manage account option. And once you're inside here, you can simply drag this drop down menu just like this, and here you can see there is an option called regarding transaction. You can just tap on this, and basically here you should be seeing all of the list of the games that you have purchased so far. So since I haven't purchased any games, so it will not show me in my case. So another thing or another way what I can also do is just come back to your settings and simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called this download account information. So basically you can just request them, the Epic Games Store, to download your information, your account information, which will download a copy of the information you have shared. Even your list of files or list of games in the library will be there. So once you request your download, that file will be sent as an email with the password on your account, on your registered email. So that's exactly how you can easily access that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.